Here with Dummy. Just pulled into our call for a no heat freeze up. Let's see what we got. See here, we hooked up our temporary electric heater, try to thaw some of the area out that had frozen previously. Indoor temp, now that we got the heaters going, we got up to 45, but it's going to take some time. They have multiple burst pipes. There's a pretty big one there. That end's pretty big. It's got a burst on it. Can't see the hole though. Actually ice in the toilet. Onto the other room, we have another burst in the pipe there. There's one you really can see. Here we have another temporary heater going for the moment, trying to thaw out the area around the bursts and the pipes. So you can see we got our pipe thawer on installed, both clamps. Just trying to do section by section of the baseboard, and then hopefully when we find all the bursts, we'll be able to fix them, repair them, get their heat back up and going.